It's the Vont solar garden light. All right, so I just pulled in the driveway, and I think it's a good time to make a quick video about the lights that I have here, which I wanted to make a little review of. So I've only got two. I need a couple more. It's not totally dark out yet, but those look pretty good. So I've had these things installed for about 2 weeks, and I didn't want to do a review on them until I made sure they were working. Now they do seem to go out pretty early in the evening, but what you can't see back there is that there's like 2 acres behind the trees. So I've had some lights back there, you could see them. But that's it. I wanted to make a quick review. You can't see the lights. I've got them hidden down in front of the trees. We'll go look in just a minute. Those look nice. I thought they looked nice when I pulled in the driveway, so we'll go take a quick look. So these are solar. So that's what we're looking at. So there it is. So that's it. The other one's hidden down in there. Yeah, those look nice. It's early. I've got them set to the brightest setting. Yeah, so those are the Vont solar lights. Now, what I need from Vont is about 25 more of these suckers. All right, so it's mid-February. So I've had these Vont outdoor solar spotlights out in the yard for a couple of months, and it's been a stormy, windy, cold winter. So I just wanted to come out and take a look at them. A lot of times these types of products, they won't work for very long. So I've got 2 of them out in the yard, and they're still looking good. So I'm going to go ahead and give these guys a fantastic, huge thumbs up if you can see it. Let's do it over here. So thumbs up. Thanks, guys. Check it out.